Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new address in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it. And here in this page you should select the last option, which is settings. And here in this new page you can just select the payment settings. And after that the second option, which is my addresses, and you will be able to see here your addresses, and if you don't have any you can just add the new one. Now in my case I didn't have any address before, so this is the first one that I should add. Now I'm not going to show every step separately. I'm just going to say what you need to do here. Like, you can just write in the address name there at first, your full name. You can select the country there. You can see, you can just click on it. You can exactly write in the address there, like the street name, for example, house number or apartment number, and all these details. And finally you can just add the zip and postal code. And if you're done with everything, you can just press on the add at the top of your right corner and your new address will be added. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.